The biggest question looming in the back of your mind is how on earth do you pay for foundation repair? I'm Austin with Anchor Foundation Repair, and I've done hundreds, if not thousands of inspections by now in the Brazos Valley area. From all these inspections, I'm familiar with many questions homeowners have when it comes to foundation issues with their homes and can answer this for you. We've really noticed about 7 different ways that homeowners decide to pay for foundation repair. Number one being payment plans. This is going to be something set up in-house with the contractor. It's going to differ contractor to contractor, and it doesn't really apply that much to us here at Anchor. We don't really have one of those. Number two is going to be third-party financing. This is going to be through a third-party entity, through some sort of maybe website, like for example, maybe Hearth Financing is, I know, one that's out there, but something that you go out there and find. Next is gonna be loans through either a bank or a credit union, something of that kind of sorts, where you're getting a big loan taken out for paying for the foundation repair. Number 4 is going to be a mortgage refinance, where you refinance your home to try and get extra cash out of the equity that's been built up in your home. 5 is going to be credit cards, whether that's one really big credit card amount that you have, or you want to put a lot on a bunch of different smaller cards. Either one works, just depends on what works best for you as the homeowner. Number 6 is using your savings. Probably the most painful out of all the options is watching all your nice hard-earned money go right out the door to pay for foundation repair. I get it, it stings a little bit, but that is certainly an option to pay for foundation repairs. Number 7, and probably one of the more trickier ones, is deciding to save up to do the foundation repairs, but you kind of have to play this one out a little bit. If you're looking at, let's say, $15K worth of foundation repairs now, and you want to save up over a couple months, maybe a couple years, got to factor in a little bit of that inflation cost in there. So maybe we're talking about a little bit higher price tag at that point in time. Now let's go back to option number 2. We have partnered with a third-party financing company to bring this option to y'all as homeowners, and it starts at 6.99%. Now, if this is something you are interested in potentially looking at, we're going to put a QR code here on the screen that'll take you to an information page to do a deeper dive on what this option looks like for y'all.